Every travel is an adventure to the road of discovery. On this one, not only did I experience the beautiful nature of the Faroe Islands, but I discovered myself. You see, Faroe is a place where nature is preserved as it was thousands of years ago. People live peacefully and value their traditions. As I was here alone, I had the time to think about my path in life. I want to explore and wander around the world, capturing every moment along the way. And there is nothing that could stop me from doing that.